don't know about these feet things. I'm having trouble, man. But listen, this video is gonna be real life, that's for sure. It is the good, the bad, and the ugly. Hi, how are you? My name is Roxana and welcome to my neck of the woods. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to this channel, I do videos on handbags. In this video, I have two little things to unbox. Well, one little thing and one big thing. Both of these items are for my Bleecker bags. My focus in 2026 is to match my bags with shoes. So one of these items is shoes. Now, here's my Bleecker bag. Let's take it out. In my last video, I said that I was going to get an organizer, and I did. Now, let me tell you, storing this Bleecker bag, if I didn't have the insert, which I'm glad that I did not throw it away, the Bleecker bag is very pliable. It doesn't hold the shape at all. Here's my insert that I bought to keep the bag more organized because it's a big bucket bag, right? Here's the front of it. I keep showing you the back. The front of it where it has the Coach written in gold. It just kind of, see how it just kind of folds on itself and creates a crease. And right here it will create a crease. So tip for you guys, if you have a Bleecker bag, keep the insert that it comes with it. Anyhow, I bought the organizer and I thought that I bought a cheap version of it. And I thought the organizer would be more oval shape, like it's like the bottom of this bag is. I got it from Amazon and it shows that it will fit a Bleecker bag, and it does fit the Bleecker bag, right? And it does sort of keep the shape. I thought it was going to be a little bit longer, but it's not in the bag, like a little taller, so I can keep the shape of the bag a little bit more. You know, for the most part, I tend to like bags that are pliable and movable and soft, so I don't know why this bothers me a little bit, that it's a little too soft. See how it's already starting to crease here? Okay, let me take this insert out because one of the things that I got is feet for my Bleecker bag. And these are from the Gal's Guide. I think I said her name right. Oh my gosh, it is a very pretty box. The presentation is so nice. And it got a little card here. It says thank you, and it has the recommendations of how to take care of the feet. Keep away from pets and children. Yeah, because they can swallow it. This is cute. It has a little bag, you guys. It's a little bag that holds the feet. I think that is darling. So I can definitely use this bag to put things into it. And it's yellow. And I ordered this when I was looking at the yellow taxi cab that you've seen in my last video for the turn lock bag. I kept on calling it a twin lock bag. It's twin turn lock bag. Okay, so yeah, I like this a lot. It also comes with a chain, right? I'm not sure exactly I used the chain. And these are the feet again for my bag. Let me see how I can do this. They're strong magnets, that's for sure. Woo. So see how they have the gold part of the foot itself, and then what you have inside of the bag, the magnet is covered. And you put this inside of the bag, this portion inside of the bag, and then of course the foot on the outside of the bag. It just got stuck on the other one. No, I lost the other foot. Okay, let's try this again. Here we go. I have them just like this. So now I have feet for this bag. Okay, now let's put the divider in. I think if the divider would have been more oval like the bag, I think it would have kept the shape just a little bit better. So yeah, this is, see how it just kind of folds on the side. I got this charm from Amazon, and it's got the martini glass, and I got these charms from the Gal's Guide. It's the same company that she's also a YouTuber. It's the same company that makes the feet for the bags, and she has some really affordable charms on her site. And I decided to get the heart because, you know, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and it's got gold, and the bag, my Bleecker bag, has gold on it, so I might put a heart charm. I had a pink heart charm last time I wore the bag. Now I can do a red heart for tonight's dinner. I have my chains, of course. You know how much I like my chains. Now let me see if I can remember how I did it last time. I had my other heart that I pinned it on there. Okay, so I'm taking this ring off. Let me see if I can hook it onto the bag. Okay, so it took forever and a day, but I finally got the ring onto the ring. What is this called? I can't remember what these things are called. Well, I don't know if I like this. I think I should have put the ring up higher. I think I just had it twisted. Let me try this again. It's not bad. I think it should have been higher, but I can always take another ring and put it on here. Let me see if I can do that. Okay, I got another idea. How about if I take one of the chains, clip it on one of these rings? How about now? Is this a little better? It's a little bit better. How about this? There. I like it just a little bit higher. Yes. Okay. So let me get this bag ready for tonight. This is the Kurt Geiger bag that I got it a while ago, and I wore it a little bit earlier today. Whoopsie daisy. It has a bag within a bag, a drawstring bag. Now, let me tell you, this did not really work out for me when I wore it today. I'll see if I can insert some pictures, but because of its shape and when I had something inside of it, it wasn't staying on my shoulder. It kept on falling off of my shoulder. So, though I was super excited about getting this bag, and I got it at a really good deal. I paid $70 for it, but I can see that this might not work out for me. So, but it's okay. I'll probably wear it a little bit more before I get rid of it. You know, I think I might get over the fact that it kind of creases a little bit and it's a little too pliable. And here's why. I love the way it sits on my shoulder. This is so easy for me to carry. And it's big, so it can fit a lot of stuff. I gotta show you guys this charm. I absolutely adore this charm. I think it is so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna put it on the bag because it's a little bit too much right now, but I'm getting ready for tonight. Of course, I'm gonna use the Candy Corner Sip. I have a lip gloss in here, but I need to get my lipstick from here, my chapstick, my hand sanitizer, my mirror, and my cream. So will all of this fit into this corner sip? Probably not, because this one was the larger corner zip and this is the smaller. So let me see. Well, I have the organizer, so I don't think I have to fit everything in here. I'm just gonna put the lip stuff in here, and the hand lotion and the sanitizer. I can put it in one of these pockets inside my organizer. I won't bore you with the details, but it fits here just like this, just nicely done like this. And put the corner zip. Now I had my wallet over here. Yep, here it is. And I do like that the bag comes with, yeah, I do like this bag a lot. I like the fact that it comes with a pouch so I can have easy access to my wallet. I do have my planner. I needed the other day and I did not take it with me. So I gotta remember to take this with me all the time, because you never know when you need to pencil in stuff. The other thing that I realized that I should carry with me is something to help me with heartburn. Sometimes that happens, especially when you have a good old dinner. And then a cleaner for my glasses. So I can, you know, I think this matches pretty good too. The newspaper print, I like this a lot. What do I have? Perfume in here, which I tend to use quite a bit. I have my tissue. I have my tissue and my other wallet. It's pretty cool from Kate Spade. But I had a pen that ended up leaking in my purse. So that's what happened to this wallet. But I can also put a little bit of this medicine in this pouch, and I can take this pouch with me too. And let's see, will it fit in here? You know what? With this organizer, believe it or not, it doesn't fit. It has this metal divider. If I take that out, will it fit? Yes, it will. It's just the Nolita. This is the Nolita, and I think I forgot to tell you guys how much I paid for this. I think this was $109. The Nolita though, the strap kind of gets in the way. I like to use it as a catch-all bag, but the strap kind of gets in the way. Let's see if I make it like this, more of a wristless. Will this make it easier? I think so. And this, I think whoops, not this one. The larger corner zip, I think I did say that I paid $75. It took a long time to style the bag, and I have yet to open the shoes. But my bag is all ready to go. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear tonight, but my bag is ready. Okay, I just knocked one of the foot right off of the bag. I don't know about these feet things. I'm having trouble, man. But listen, this video is gonna be real life, that's for sure. It is the good, the bad, and the ugly. I lost my other foot too. I lost 2 out of the 4 feet, and I haven't even left the house. I don't know if the feet are gonna work out for me. I'll try them out tonight, but I'm kind of having trouble here. The twin turn-like bag is a lot less fussier, but this one, it's a lot easier to carry. So maybe the organizer is not gonna work out for me. Yeah, forget about the organizer. I thought the organizer would work out, but I don't think so. Thank goodness it was only $20. Okay, so let me put the hand cream and the hand sanitizer in its little bag. Here we go. Let's use this. Okay, and then put everything else in here. I think I have everything. Okay, I think that's much better. Let's put this one in here. Okay, I think I'm good. I got the feet. The organizer is just not gonna work out for me. I will, when I store the bag, I will make sure to always keep the insert stored for it. And I bet you're wondering what kind of shoes I'm gonna wear with this bag. Wait, there's more. I forgot my planner, and I think that's it. That's all I'm gonna carry with me tonight. I got this from the outlet, and I had one order it from me. One is the sales associate from the boutique store. One of the things that I'm focusing in 2016 is to have my shoes match my bag, and I got tennis shoes. Look at this, just matches perfectly. They are what are the names of this shoe? Let me see what the names are, but it's definitely suede. It's definitely this hunter green, or they call it olive green, the color. And the name of the shoe is Highline Suede Sneaker in olive color. It's gonna be a casual dinner with a casual look. Okay, I think we got a perfect match here. I will probably insert some pictures of exactly what I wore to the dinner. You know, the chain keeps on twisting, but what can you do? Okay, you guys, dang it all. This came undone. Oh my goodness, I am just having so much trouble. Now I lost the little chain that goes on here. I think I'm gonna have the word fail somewhere in the title of this video, because boy, was it been a struggle. But okay, finally got it together. I needed to make sure that I hung these 2 chains, which are a little bit heavier. I had to make sure that I hung it not on the little chain that comes onto the tag of the bag, but more on this ring, right? That it's more sturdy. Maybe I have one too many charms on this bag. Of course I do, but do I care? Yes. No, I don't care. And then I have a ring here to hang another charm. I do have another charm from the Girls Guide, or the Gals Guide, I believe is the name of her company. And yeah, I like this. I'm gonna take the ring off, put this on the bag. I'll hang it right here on this ring. Yep, here we go. Enough charms? Oh, heck yeah. Here we go. Can you see it? Thank you guys for watching. This video was all over the place, but it is for real. I struggled all over the place. But yeah, what do you think? I think it's gonna look really nice, nice together. Over here, there are quite a few more boxes for me to unbox. So I hope you watch my next video where I unbox some more of these goodies. And are there any more Coach bags? No, they're not. We're talking Dooney & Berg. And what else? Something else. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If this kind of content is your vibe, by all means, please subscribe. It is free. Let me know what you think about this whole video. What do you think about this whole Bleecker bag? I'm like, I don't like the way it stores, but in the end, I do like it. I like it a lot more than the Kurt Geiger bag. I was so excited about this bag, but I don't know. It didn't work out for me so well. The organizer, which I thought for sure it was going to work out, it really didn't. I'm not liking it at all. Okay, gotta get ready for this dinner. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.